So where are we headed to today, Jeremy?
So today we are going to visit the condo Waiea. It is one of Oahu's most expensive luxury condos on the island. And today I got my boy Vince with us filming. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys around Kaka'ako. We're gonna check it out and it should be fun. But before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey, what's up, Khai? How you doing? Good. This is Khai Tran. He's the co-lister of this beautiful unit, and we're gonna go check it out. Okay. Oh. Wow. I just feel like we're in a rich place already. Look at this elevator.
So there's 2 more elevators in the back of the building, and that's for everybody else to use.
Okay. Wow. Oh wow, your own. This is like the lobby of your unit. Wow.
So if you open that, that's the regular hall.
Oh, public hallway. Oh my god. Oh, okay. So other units doesn't have this. Only. Wow. Oh yeah, shoes off. Okay. Here in Hawaii, we take our shoes off. Kai's really good on social media too, by the way. Oh my goodness.
The money side of
This is in here. Oh my god. Oh. Jeez, look at that right here. Wow. What is the listing price again?
So it's 5.45.
Oh my goodness. 5.45 million. Jeez. I'm gonna take this. Cool.
The whole section is gourmet.
Oh wow.
Wow. You have a popular on the food side. You don't see that.
Wow. This is crazy. Cool. This is a Miele appliances. Miele. I don't know, I've never seen this. And this is for espressos. A steamer. Oh my god. Have you ever used a steamer before, Kai? Me neither. Okay, oven, microwave. Oh my god, oh wow. This is a wine cooler, wow. Oh my god. That's crazy. I like how this is very sleek. When you're rich, you don't need handles anymore, you know? Okay, we're gonna go on the balcony. So now we're gonna go on the balcony. I mean, look at this, like, it's like what, 12 feet? Nah, maybe, oh my gosh. And it slides. And you can be in here while you're enjoying your $5 million condo, looking at Diamond Head. Whoa! And then right over here across the street, you see all the other boats where the rich people live here and then they park their boats here, right?
They're actually, Ward Village is investing a bunch of money to redo the harbor.
Oh wow, okay. Dang.
So once, I guess, we're over the COVID thing, we have like front views of the fireworks for 4th of July.
Oh wow.
When they have Memorial Day Lantern Festivals, you can see all that.
Oh wow, okay. Cool. Oh wow. This is very smooth. It's like I can do this effortlessly with like one finger. People are gonna watch it like, what are you doing there, Jeremy? Sweet.
So you have your room bathroom out here and half that.
Oh wow.
This is the showstopper, the master bathroom.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this. This is a big bathroom. Is that like an Amazon shower over there? Here, I'm gonna, don't mind if I do. Wow, okay. You wanna come in the shower with me, Vince? Wow, look at that. So, You're showering. Up here is the, I guess the Amazon raindrop shower. Howard Hughes, Ward Village. This is the master?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Let's see in here. Oh, no. Wow. His and hers. Okay. Oh, man. Imagine just like waking up and then you just see like the best angle of Diamond Head. That's so cool. And then if you look down here, this is all of Kaka'ako. There's a Naha, another $1 million luxury condo, Okua, and just all the cool shops and restaurants of Kaka'ako.
The other 2 bedrooms are here.
Okay.
So they all have ensuite bathrooms.
Oh, wow. So this room has its own bathroom and its own closet too. Wow. That's cool. Wow. Oh, here, laundry room. And just an extra sink just cuz. Electrical panel. Okay, cool. Another bathroom, shower. Let's put a plant in the shower because why not? Cool. Oh wow, look at this. Awesome. Every room has a view of the best view on the walkway. Cool. All right, Khai, let's go half and buy this.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
You can do all your videos.
Yeah. Oh man. And then, wow, this is just the entire kitchen right here. Beautiful.
So this is like a nice staff of the whole building.
Yeah.
From every window you have an ocean.
Oh yeah. Oh man, that's cool.
You're going to see that video.
Oh yeah, amenities. Let's go see the amenities. Can I press the button?
Yeah.
Cool. Check this out. All right, here we go. Ooh. What? That's so cool. That's so cool. Beautiful. Okay, wow. This is awesome.
So you can walk to the cabana there and then you can kind of...
Okay. Cool. You got cabanas over here, a gym over there. You have an infinity pool. Wow. That's intense. That's crazy. Oh. Wow. Look at all this water. Cool. Jacuzzi. Oh wow. Cool. I'm assuming this is just like the party area.
Yeah, so you can reserve this back cabana.
Oh wow. You know, if you want to throw a Super Bowl party, whatever, shindig, cook some steaks.
Feel pretty awesome.
Oh wow. Oh wow. So this is a Sunset Bar. Wow. Surround sound. Can you rent this out, I'm assuming? Oh wow. You can reserve this, have your own bar, play bartender, you know. You want a beer? Huh? Mai Tai on the rocks? All right. Coffee, wow. Oh my gosh. Coffee service available, 6:30 to 8 p.m. So you just come here, make coffee. Yo, who needs Starbucks anymore? Cool. Wow, so like, you know, spend $5 million on a condo and get free coffee for life. Sounds like a good deal. And I'm assuming these are all like private rooms you can rent out. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. A popcorn maker? Wow. If you look across the street right over there, that's a theater, Dave & Buster's, Buca di Beppo, a lot of restaurants. And if you look over there, you see other luxury condos too. Rie, Waiea.
This is the regular elevator.
Regular elevators, huh? If you're just a regular millionaire, you know. And hopefully we find you a buyer. So if you're looking to buy, spend $5 million, contact me. Here's my email, and we'll find a buyer for Khai.